Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
मैम
Yes, Akansha.
मैम कल आप होमवर्क दी थी 4 सेंटेंस कन्वर्ट करने में एक्टिव टू पैसिव.
Yes, I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
discuss today. I remember. I've given 4 sentences. So first sentence was a mason builds house. यही ना था.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. The floor was
Maid
ma'am.
swept
The
the
maid
floor.
swept floor.
The maid swept the floor. So this was the first sentence. The maid swept the floor. Okay, Akansha, what is the answer of this?
The floor was swept by the maid.
Yes, very good. The floor. This is past tense.
Was
Past tense, what you use? Was.
swept by the maid.
Yes. Okay, very good. Then second sentence.
A mason builds houses.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I?
Ashish, answer. Ashish.
Ma'am, the house was built by the mason.
Uh,
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
answer, Srija?
okay.
ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, houses
Mama
were
Kanya.
built by mason.
Ma'am, Srija?
Ma'am, houses were built by mason.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, houses are built by mason.
Harshvardhan, you want to answer?
Ma'am, गलत हो गया.
Aryan Kumar 9B. Aryan. Anurag Roy, you want to answer? Anurag. Hello.
Ma'am, may I, Akansha?
No, you have already answered. I want someone who hasn't answered. Aditi Kumari.
Ma'am, मेरा आंसर गलत था.
आशीष फिर से तुम रिपीट करो तुम्हारा. आशीष, repeat your answer.
Ma'am, the house was built by the mason.
Correct. Houses is there, so just for houses you'll use
Ma'am,
R.
where?
नहीं, here you'll use
Houses
गलत
are
बोले थे मैम. पहले सब
Present tense,
गलत बोलने
houses
लगा.
are built by mason
here you'll use R. Why you'll use R? Because this is present tense.
because it is in present.
Here this is past. So past you are using past verb. Present you'll use present verb R. And with R, which form of verb we'll use? Because it is passive verb.
V3 built
V3.
Built by a mason.
by mason.
So you'll use V3 because in the passive you always use V3. Okay, so you have to remember for which tense, which words you are using. Means tense is not changed. Tense is not changed. Present means present verb. Past means past verb. Okay, what was the third sentence?
The farmer is plowing the field.
Okay, the farmer
Can I?
Is plowing the field.
is plowing the field. Okay, this was our third sentence.
The
Ma'am, the
field
field
was
is plugged by farmer.
field is being plowed by the farmer.
Ma'am, the field is being plugged by farmer.
Yes, very good. The field is being,
Field is being.
as I told you that in all the continuous tense, what you use?
Being.
Ma'am, being.
I'm being.
Being.
Being plus V3. Continuous है, ing है तो being use करना है. This you have to remember. And for you have to use the V3 of plow, plowed.
Plowing.
Plowed by the farmer. It is very easy. You just have to remember a few things. That with has have के साथ, has have had के साथ B double E N, ing के साथ B E I N G. बस some basic things you have to remember, and always the V3. It's very easy. Okay, who will answer next?
The boys were playing the football. मैम ये
The
question
boys
है.
were
मैम
playing
may I answer the
Devanshu, Devanshu, can you hear me? Hello.
Can I?
Anurag. Okay, Anurag. Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Anurag.
Football was
Ma'am.
being played by the boys.
Okay. Question is, boys are playing football.
Ma'am, the boys were.
Ma'am, the boys were playing football.
Anurag,
Yes,
The
ma'am.
boys were playing football.
Anurag, repeat your answer.
Football was being played by the boys.
Yes, football was being played. Because past tense is there, so here also you will use the past only. So you have to remember, you don't change the tense. Tense remains the same. Football was being played by the boys. Past means past verb and present means by the boys. Okay. Okay, so all of you have checked your answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will continue with our continue till which tense we had done? Past tense.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
past
continuous.
continuous.
Okay, then so we will continue with that. You have
Ma'am,
written
past
Past
perfect
perfect.
continue करना था.
Ma'am, past perfect tense.
past perfect. Okay, so have you written the notes till the past continuous in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again and again I am telling you, you maintain a copy. There is no grammar book. You have to study from the copy only. So past perfect. So past perfect example, he had completed the project. So this is an example of past perfect, had plus V3. Past perfect में यही लगता है ना. He had completed the project. So here the structure is subject plus had plus been
Been. Plus B3.
plus V3. V3 is common, plus by और ऑब्जेक्ट भी कॉमन है अगर दिया हुआ है. तो कभी कभी जो है वो बाय के बिना भी ऑब्जेक्ट, बाय के बिना भी सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो जाता है. So subject has subject plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. So in some cases you even omit the agent who has done. जैसे कि the jewelry was stolen. The jewelry was stolen. By plus agent is not given. So you can have sentences like that also. You use such sentences when the agent is not
The
important.
subject is not important.
हाँ, सब्जेक्ट जब व्हेन सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, काम इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. काम किसने किया वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होता है, तब हम सब्जेक्ट
मैम
ओमिट कर देते हैं. हाँ पूछो.
मैम इसका पैसिव बताएं.
किसका?
Ma'am, can I?
मैम जो आप अभी लिखी
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन.
बताओ.
The
Project
project had been completed by him. The
By
project had
him,
been
yes.
completed by him.
Project had been completed by him. So it's very easy.
मैम बाय हिम नहीं लिखेंगे तो कोई गलती
नहीं नहीं, गलती नहीं है. Had been completed. it's not a it's not a mistake. You can omit it. Okay, then then again past perfect continuous no passive form. मैंने बताया था कि ऐसे भी टेंस होते हैं जिनका पैसिव फॉर्म नहीं होता है. तो पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस नो पैसिव. ओके, इसका पैसिव बनता ही नहीं है. ओके, so now we will come to our future tense. Okay, future tense. So in future tense, simple future. Simple future tense. Example. So this is an example of simple future tense. What will you use? Will or shall? Okay. So this is example of simple future tense. What is the structure for simple? Subject plus shall or will, जो भी है, क्योंकि फ्यूचर में shall भी यूज होता है. shall will जो भी है plus BEB plus V3 of course is common plus by plus object. So you have to remember in future you use BEB. With has, have, had you use BEE and been. Has, have, had के साथ been, ING वाले words के साथ being, और future है तो ये BEB. So okay.
मैम मैं इसका पैसिव बताऊं?
आशीष क्या बताओ आशीष?
Ma'am, can
A
I?
test will be taken by the teacher today.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, yes. Test will be a test will
Taken by the teacher.
yes, will be taken. Take है तो taken V3 हो जाएगा. By the teacher today. Okay, so very easy. Then you come to future continuous, no passive. Future continuous, no passive. Okay. Okay, then we move to our next tense, future perfect. Future perfect. Okay. So future perfect example. He will have completed the project by today. तो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में बताया था मैंने स्ट्रक्चर लिखाते समय दैट बाय प्लस टाइम इज important in future perfect. Without that your sentence will not be complete. So by is used for time and by is used for agent also. जैसे कि I will complete the work by today. तो ये हुआ कि आज शाम तक काम complete कर लेंगे by today evening. But by is also used for the agent. The work was done by him. So by is used both for time and for the person who has done the work. Okay.
मैम
हाँ बोलो आकांक्षा.
मैं इसका स्ट्रक्चर बताऊं?
मैम फ्यूचर मैम परफेक्ट टेंस का क्या स्पेसिफिक फॉर्म मतलब क्यों यूज किया जाता है?
फ्यूचर परफेक्ट यूज किया जाता है ये बताने के लिए कि इस समय तक ये काम हो चुका होगा. The road will have been constructed by the end of 2021. मतलब 2021 के अंत तक रोड बन चुका होगा, तो एक टाइम पीरियड तक ये काम हो चुका होगा, ये इंडिकेट करने के लिए फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. Okay, so he will have completed the project by today. आज कंप्लीट कर लेगा वो प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, सो who will answer? Structure is subject.
मैम मैं बताऊं स्ट्रक्चर.
बता.
मैम सब्जेक्ट प्लस शैल और विल प्लस हैव प्लस बीन प्लस V3 प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट.
Yes, very good. Shall will plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. Yes. Okay.
मैम इसका हम बताए आंसर.
आकांक्षा, जानवी बहुत देर से
Yes,
हाथ उठा रही है. जानवी.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The project have been completed by him by today.
एक वर्ड मिस कर गई तुम जानवी.
विल छूट गया.
And the project will have
Ma'am,
been
the project will have been completed by him by today.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Now it is correct. You missed the word. The project will have. The project will.
मैम सेंटेंस के एंड में बाय टुडे लगाना जरूरी है.
हाँ, हाँ, लगाना जरूरी है क्योंकि फिर पूरा मीनिंग नहीं निकलेगा. Will have been completed by him by today. You can miss the agent, but you have to write by today. Okay. Okay. Then again for future perfect continuous, no passive form. Future perfect continuous. No passive. So you have to remember for some tense there is no passive. जितना भी perfect continuous tense है, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, no passive. And one more tense is there, future
मैम फ्यूचर
continuous.
कंटिन्यूस.
फ्यूचर
Yes.
कंटिन्यूअस.
For that also there is no passive. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then how do you change commands and requests?
मैम रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, बाय यूजिंग रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब.
रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब डिफरेंट है. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब तो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट में. कमांड्स
By using should.
no. So in commands and requests,
मैम मैं एक एग्जांपल दूं.
दो.
मैम अगर एक सेंटेंस है कि डू इट, मैम ये कमांड हो गया, तो मैम इसका पैसिव फॉर्म हो जाएगा लेट इट बी डन.
Yes, yes. So in commands and requests you use the word let. So for this close the door. So this is a command, close the door. So what is the structure? Let
Let
plus
close.
subject,
Let the door be closed.
let plus subject plus be plus V3. This is the structure. So for the commands and requests, what is the structure? Let.
Let the
मैम
close.
लेट द डोर बी
Let
क्लोज्ड.
the door be closed.
Yes, very easy. Let the door be closed. So if you know the structure, you won't have any doubt. So you should have the structure in your mind. Let plus subject plus be plus V3. Then we come to questions. Questions or interrogatives. So questions are interrogatives. So if you have the question with do or does, do does questions, how it is changed? Do does questions. Example.
डू यू मैम डू यू स्टडी द बुक्स, तो मैम हो जाएगा आर द बुक्स रेड बाय यू.
Okay. Do you read books?
Yes ma'am.
So for do does, structure is either is or am or are plus subject uh, plus V3 plus by plus object. So is it clear? Do does से अगर हमारा क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होगा तो पैसिव में पैसिव उसका कैसे बनाना है, इज एम आर यूज करके. ओके, so you have to remember this. If the question starts with do does, see it's very logical. You have to because do does is present or past. Do does
Present.
present. So you have to use the helping verb of the present tense. So it's very logical. So present question means verb of the present tense. So do you read books? Who will so do you read books? So here
Are the books read by you?
which what will be our subject? Book.
Are book.
हाँ,
Ma'am, are.
बुक के
Book.
साथ आर यूज करेंगे. इज एम
Yes,
आर
ma'am.
डिपेंड
Yes,
करता है
ma'am.
हमारा सब्जेक्ट पर. यहाँ हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है, ये हमारा सब्जेक्ट बनेगा. तो आर बुक्स. And for read, all the three form is the same. Read, read,
But
read.
pronunciation is different.
रीड का जो है वो सब फॉर्म एक ही होता है, बस हम उसको पास्ट टेंस
Yes,
को
ma'am.
प्रोनाउंस थोड़ा अलग तरह से करते हैं. रीड, रेड, रेड. हाँ, स्पेलिंग इज द
Read.
सेम, only in the past tense the pronunciation is different. So our books
Are books read by you?
are books read by you. So very easy. Okay.
मैम
हाँ बोलो आकांक्षा.
मैम अभी आप ऊपर में बताएं कि क्लोज द डोर, तो मैम ये तो एक कमांड हुआ. मैम रिक्वेस्ट को मैम कैसे बनाएंगे मैम? जैसे प्लीज ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, मैम इसका कैसे बनाएंगे पैसिव?
तो उसका भी वैसे ही बनेगा, सेम पैटर्न. लेट द ग्लास ऑफ वाटर बी ब्रॉट. या इसको यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड करके भी बना सकती हो, दोनों तरीके से. अच्छा एक बता देते हैं. प्लीज bring me a glass of water. Me a glass of water. तो इसको ऐसे बनाएंगे हम. You are requested to bring a glass of water. Bring me भी जोड़ सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
You are requested लगा के. Okay? Is it clear? मिस हो गया मुझसे. So it's clear to all of you?
यस मैम.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
easy. Okay. Okay.
मैम एक पास्ट के क्वेश्चंस का बता दीजिए.
Past के question. हाँ past का बता रहे. Did. Questions beginning with did. With did. Okay. So for example, did you clean the room? Okay, this is a question, past question. Did you clean the room? Okay, so because this is a question of past tense, you will use the past verb was or were. Do does के साथ is am are और past verb के साथ was were.
मैम इसका होगा was the room cleaned by you.
Subject plus V3 plus by plus object. So present, if the sentence, if the question begins with a present verb, do does, then you have to use is am are. If the question begins with a past verb did, then
Was
you have
were.
to use was were. So if for all the commands you have to use let plus subject plus be plus v3. Let subject be v3. Uh, let the door be closed, let the notebooks be carried. And then for request you are requested. जोड़ के. Okay. Did you clean the room? Was were plus those was the, यहाँ हमारा
Was
सब्जेक्ट
the room cleaned by you.
सब्जेक्ट हमारा सिंगुलर है तो was लगाना है. अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट यहाँ मान लो कि रूम्स रहता तो फिर हम वर यूज करते, वर द रूम्स. बट हाँ, so because here the our subject is singular, so was the room cleaned by you. So very simple. Okay. So now questions beginning with modal verbs. They
मैम
are,
अगर ये फ्यूचर का होगा तो शैल और विल यूज करेंगे ना वाज और वर की जगह.
हाँ. So questions beginning with modals verbs. Modal, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
can, could, can,
Will,
could,
would.
can, could, will, would, may, might. So these are modal
Must.
verbs. Questions beginning with modal verbs.
My example दूँ.
So how will you change the questions beginning with modal verbs?
Ma'am,
Example.
मैम फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम कह रहे हैं कि यू मस्ट रीड द बुक, तो मैम उसका पैसिव वॉइस हो जाएगा द बुक मस्ट बी रेड बाय यू.
हाँ हाँ वो हो जाएगा. यहाँ हम क्वेश्चंस बता रहे हैं. कैन,
ये सजेशन हो गया
हाँ
मैम, ये सजेशन हो गया जो अभी बोली.
नहीं, सजेशन नहीं हुआ, क्वेश्चन हुआ. जैसे कि कैन यू क्लाइंब द ट्री, क्वेश्चन हुआ. क्वेश्चंस बिगिनिंग. सजेशंस भी बता देंगे. सजेशन में शुड लगा के बनता है. शैल या इस सब वर्ड से अगर क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो, कैन, कुड, विल, वुड, मॉडल्स, हाँ etc. मॉडल वर्ड्स जितने भी, इससे भी क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होगा. जैसे कि एग्जांपल, कैन यू क्लाइंब द ट्री. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन विद द मॉडल वर्ड. कैन इज अ मॉडल.
यस मैम.
हाँ, तो इसका देखो स्ट्रक्चर याद रहेगा तो यू वोंट हैव एनी डाउट. अदरवाइज समटाइम्स यू मे गेट कंफ्यूज्ड कि इसका क्या हो. तो जैसे कि जो भी मॉडल वर्ब से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होगा वो मॉडल वर्ब यूज करना है.
मैम कैन द ट्री बी क्लाइंब्ड बाय यू.
हाँ, प्लस सब्जेक्ट यूज करना है, प्लस बी यूज करना है, प्लस v3 यूज करना है, प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट.
यस मैम.
So this is the structure. Any question beginning with modal verbs, you have to use the same question. उसी modal verb से क्वेश्चन, फिर क्वेश्चन है तो पैसिव में भी क्वेश्चन ही बनेगा और क्वेश्चन उसी मॉडल वर्ब से बनेगा. So here you will have, according to the structure, can plus what is the subject, this one, can the tree.
Yes.
The tree. Can the tree
can
be climbed by you.
P यूज करना है और फिर v3 यूज करना है.
Yes ma'am.
By. So for all the questions beginning with the modal words, This is the structure. Suppose, will you arrange the table? Sorry. Will you arrange? So, who will answer?
Ma'am, will the table be arranged by you?
Will the table be
Will
arranged
the
by
table is be,
Atul,
will the
Raj,
table is
wait, Atul Raj. Atul Raj, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
अतुल सुन सकते हो? चलो बताओ ये कैसे चेंज करोगे? जो पहला वाला हम एग्जांपल बताया हुआ उसी पैटर्न पे। अतुल, अतुल, कैन यू हियर मी? अतुल राज।
मैम हम
ma'am
बताएं?
can I
ओके,
ma'am can
अनुराग
I
कुमार।
क्या
ma'am
answer?
Janvi
वेट, अनुराग कुमार बताओ।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, will the table arranged by you?
ओके, विल द टेबल बी अरेंज्ड बाय यू?
Yes, ma'am. Will the table be arranged by you?
विल द टेबल बी So now how you will change advice? अगर कोई एडवाइस है तो
पैसिव फॉर्म में अगर लिखेंगे मैम, पैसिव फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो क्वेश्चन मार्क भी डालेंगे लास्ट में।
हाँ हाँ, क्वेश्चन मार्क, सॉरी मिस हो गई, क्वेश्चन मार्क डालना, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन ही है। इसमें भी हम क्वेश्चन वर्ड यूज किए हैं, तो क्वेश्चन वर्ड यूज किया तो डालना ही होगा। सो लाइक एडवाइस, फॉर एडवाइस लाइक
should का यूज करते हैं?
Should visit a doctor.
help the poor.
Okay.
So in advice, first you use the subject plus should be plus V3. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the poor.
the poor should be helped.
The poor should be helped.
Yes, the poor should be helped. Okay. So now if the question begins with who, for questions beginning with who जो है वो थोड़ा अलग है, उसमें by लगा के बनाना होता है। You see the pattern, you will understand. So if like who broke this jug?
The jug was broken by whom?
तो यहाँ बाय से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करना, बाय लास्ट में नहीं यूज करना है, बाय whom.
By whom the mirror
अब
the
यहाँ
mirror is
By
यहाँ
whom the
past
mirror
By whom the mirror was broken.
was broken.
नहीं, you have to be careful in grammar. By whom was the mirror broken? By whom the mirror was broken गलत हो जाएगा, एक वर्ड भी इधर उधर हुआ तो वो सेंटेंस गलत हो जाएगा। By whom was the mirror broken? Understand the pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे इसमें?
By हाँ लगाएंगे, क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे, क्वेश्चन ही है, by whom was the mirror broken? This is also a question, you have to put the question mark.
Yes, ma'am.
So like here the question is in the who and the past verb. If the question is in the present,
मैम is MR यूज करेंगे?
हाँ हाँ, who sells oranges? who sells fruits. So here, by whom
Ma'am, by
By
whom
who-
are the
whom
fruits
By
then?
whom the
are
fruit
the
was
fruits
are fruits sold. So you have to just be careful with the tense. If it is present tense, then the verb should also be in the, if the question is in the present tense, verb will also be in the present tense. Of course ये तो V3 तो common है सब में, वो तो common है, but the helping verb you have to just use according to the tense. If it is a present tense, then is, am, are. If it is past tense, was, were. So everything is very simple and logical. Just you have to remember a few things कि ये कहीं पर नोट करके भी लिख सकते हो अगर याद नहीं रहता है तो. Has, have, had, ये तीनों वर्ड है पैसिव में, तो you have to use been. Then continuous tenses, जितने भी कंटिन्यूअस टेंसेस है सब में बीइंग.
being
हाँ, और V3 तो कॉमन है इसीलिए उसको नहीं लिख रहे हैं. और फ्यूचर, सिंपल फ्यूचर के साथ बी ई लगाना है, बी ई. हाँ, so these three things you have to remember. Others, and V3 is always common. You don't have to remember it because in the passive voice always only the V3 form of the verb is used. So only these things you have to remember. Ki has, have, had. If it is there in the sentence, in the past you have to use been. If continuous tense is there, so being plus V3. And if a simple future is there, so be, e, be. So homework I will send in the group and on the snap work. अभी time हो गया है तो homework 5 sentences I will send in your class group and tomorrow we will discuss it. Okay, so I'm ending the class now. Everything is clear? किसी को कुछ पूछना है और? Hello?
no ma'am.
And those who are not attending classes, you encourage your friends to attend class. अगर ऐसे मैं तो okay.